What's up, y'all? This is Jovacane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys, if not teaching you, showing you how to do the headband curls, halo curls, quick tutorial. I haven't done these since my hair was about this short. So let's do this journey together. So you're going to need your spray bottle, any size headbands, and bobby pins for flyaways. I like to section my hair off from the base. I'm going to create a part so that I can have a start and a finish area, and then I'm going to start pulling my hair so that it's nice and secure. Here I'm going to start twisting the hair and wrapping it around the headband, and then after I wrap it around the headband, I then grab the other piece or other section of my hair and I add it along and twist it as well. You don't have to twist it all the way down because as you go, you're just going to pretty much start over. Then you're pretty much going to do that throughout your entire hair. I'm also twisting in the direction that I am going. Now, as we're getting to this last one, I just want to basically say that I'm just wrapping it over and over again until there's no more hair left. So it's the next morning and I was dying to take my hair out because I definitely did it too tight. But I realized that it was not dry all the way. This is me figuring that out. So I took my time to try to blow dry it some, and this was the result. It still was too wet, so I tried it again. Take two.